Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to repair Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. I show you guys a quick and effective solution. And go to search menu and type cmd, opens up command prompt. Click run as administrator and click yes. Now check my video description for these commands guys. Copy the first command. The first command is file checking utility scan guys. The second command dism is deployment image servicing and management command guys. Dism, check my description for these commands. Copy the first command and tap the bar, right click edit and paste it in. Press enter. Being system scan, this process will take some time. Being verification phase of system scan, this verification need to get 100% complete guys. Wait for it. After finishing the first command, go and copy the second command guys. Copy it, tap the bar, right click edit and paste it in. Press enter. This verification also need to get 100% guys. Wait for it. After finishing operations completed successfully, close out of here and go ahead and restart your PC guys. If this first solution doesn't work for you guys, let's move on to the second solution. For that, go to search menu and type recovery option, option. Open it. In recovery option, there is option guys, reset this PC. So choose to keep or remove your personal files, then reinstall Windows. Select it. Select the reset PC. And here is option guys, choose an option. Keep my files, remove apps and settings, but keeps your personal files. Remove everything. Remove all of your personal files, apps and settings. You just need to select keep my files and continue guys. This process needs 5 GB of data guys. You just need to click on cloud download and reinstall Windows. Local reinstall Windows from this device. Cloud download can use more than 4 GB data. Here is having. You just need to click on cloud download. You just need to check whether you have 4 GB of data guys. Click cloud download and current setting, download and reinstall Windows. Cloud download can be used more than 4 GB of data. Select next and then you continue guys, and hopefully your problem has been resolved at this point. That's it for today's video guys. I hope this tutorial is definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.